MrBeast, The Extraordinary Journey of Jimmy Donaldson, From Humble Beginnings to Global Philanthropy. Introduction. Jimmy Donaldson, better known as MrBeast, is one of the most influential and revolutionary content creators on YouTube. His journey from a small-town kid with a passion for gaming to a global philanthropist and entrepreneur is nothing short of extraordinary. With over 200 million subscribers across his channels, MrBeast has redefined online entertainment through jaw-dropping challenges, record-breaking stunts, and life-changing acts of generosity. Jimmy Donaldson, known to the world as MrBeast, is not just a YouTuber. He's a cultural phenomenon. With over 200 million subscribers, billions of monthly views, and a business empire spanning food, merchandise, and philanthropy, he has redefined what it means to be an online creator. But his journey wasn't easy. From uploading gaming videos with 0 views to giving away millions of dollars, MrBeast's story is one of relentless persistence, creative genius, and unprecedented generosity. This is the story of how a determined young man turned his YouTube hobby into a multi-million-dollar empire while giving away millions to strangers, planting millions of trees, and inspiring a new generation of creators. This is the full, untold story of how a shy kid from North Carolina became the most influential creator on the internet, and where he's going next. Chapter 1: Early Life and Humble Beginnings, 1998 to 2012. Childhood in Kansas and North Carolina. Jimmy Donaldson was born on May 7, 1998, in Wichita, Kansas. His family later moved to Greenville, North Carolina, where he spent most of his childhood. Growing up, Jimmy was a quiet and introverted kid who loved video games, particularly Minecraft and Call of Duty. His parents divorced when he was young, and while money was tight, his mother worked hard to support him and his brother, CJ. Despite financial struggles, Jimmy developed an early fascination with YouTube and online content creation. Discovering YouTube. At 13 years old, Jimmy created his first YouTube channel under the name MrBeast 6000, a reference to a PlayStation username. His early videos were low-quality gaming commentaries, tips, and Let's Plays. For years, his channel barely grew. He would spend hours editing videos after school, uploading daily, yet some videos got only a handful of views. But Jimmy was determined. He studied YouTube's algorithm, watched tutorials, and experimented with different styles. Chapter 2: The Struggle and Breakthrough, 2012 to 2017. The Grind with Little Success. For nearly 5 years, Jimmy's channel remained small. He later admitted that he made thousands of dollars in ad revenue but reinvested every penny into better equipment and thumbnails. During high school, he balanced schoolwork with YouTube, often staying up late to edit. His persistence was unmatched. Even when his videos barely got 100 views, he refused to quit. The viral shift. Worst intros on YouTube. In 2016, Jimmy uploaded a video titled Worst YouTube Intros, where he mocked over-the-top gaming intros. The video went viral, gaining millions of views. This was his first major breakthrough. He realized that comedy and commentary worked better than gaming content. He began making more videos roasting trends, counting to high numbers, and doing absurd challenges. The $10,000 giveaway that changed everything. In 2017, Jimmy took a huge risk. He had saved up $10,000 from YouTube ads and decided to give it away to a random Twitch streamer. The video, titled "Giving a Random Person $10,000," exploded. People were shocked. no YouTuber had ever given away such a large sum so casually. The video marked the birth of MrBeast's philanthropy and set the tone for his future content. Chapter 3: The Rise of MrBeast, 2017 to 2020. The era of extreme challenges. Jimmy realized that big, attention-grabbing stunts worked. He started making videos like Last to Leave, X, wins $10,000, 24-hour challenges. Reading every word in the dictionary. Absurd endurance tests. Watching YouTube for 10 hours straight. Pushing limits. These videos were highly engaging, and his subscriber count skyrocketed. The $1 million giveaway. In 2018, Jimmy made history by giving away $1 million in a single video. The stunt was unprecedented. No YouTuber had ever given away that much money before. This cemented his reputation as YouTube's biggest philanthropist. Brands started sponsoring his videos, allowing him to fund even bigger projects. Team Beast, building an empire. Jimmy didn't do it alone. He hired childhood friends like Chris Tyson, his first employee; Chandler Hallow, known for his Chandler Scream; Carl Jacobs later worked with Dream; Nolan, editor and close friend. Together they formed Team Beast, a tight-knit group that helped produce his increasingly complex videos. Chapter 4: Going Global, The Philanthropy Era, 2020 present. Team Trees, planting 20 million trees. In 2019, MrBeast partnered with Mark Rober and the Arbor Day Foundation to launch Team Trees, a campaign to plant 20 million trees. Fans and celebrities, including Elon Musk and Jeffree Star, donated, raising $23 million in months. The project proved that online communities could drive real-world change. Team Seas, cleaning the oceans. In 2021, he launched Team Seas, aiming to remove 30 million pounds of ocean trash. The campaign raised over $30 million, further solidifying his impact beyond YouTube. Beast Burger and Feastables. Jimmy expanded into business. MrBeast Burger, 2020, a virtual restaurant chain delivering burgers nationwide. Feastables, 2022, a snack brand featuring chocolate bars and cookies. Both ventures were instant successes, earning millions in revenue. Squid Game in real life, $4.56 million prize. In 2021, Jimmy recreated Netflix's Squid Game with 456 players competing for $4.56 million. The video became one of the most watched YouTube videos ever, gaining 300+ million views. Chapter 5: Behind the Scenes of MrBeast's Success. The Algorithm Mastermind. Jimmy reverse-engineered YouTube's algorithm, focusing on high retention rates, keeping viewers hooked; clickable thumbnails, bright colors, bold text; trendjacking, riding viral trends. The team that makes it possible. Behind every video is a team of 50+ people, including editors, some work 100-hour weeks; logistics managers, organizing huge stunts; legal advisors, for contracts and safety; the financial side, how he funds his videos; sponsorships, Honey, Quid, etc. Ad revenue, millions per month; merchandise and brand deals. Chapter 6: The Future of MrBeast. Beast Philanthropy, a non-profit for the hungry. In 2022, Jimmy launched Beast Philanthropy, a charity providing food, shelter, and aid to those in need. The organization has already helped thousands. MrBeast versus traditional media. Jimmy has expressed interest in competing with TV networks. His high-budget productions like Ultimate $500,000 Survival Challenge rival Hollywood shows. The goal: becoming the biggest YouTuber ever. With over 200 million subscribers, MrBeast is on track to surpass T-Series and PewDiePie as the most subscribed channel. Chapter 7: Controversies and Challenges. Criticism over exploitative stunts. Some argue his videos use people for content, but Jimmy insists, "I'm giving people life-changing money. How is that exploitation?" The PewDiePie vs. T-Series campaign. In 2018, Jimmy spent thousands on billboards to help PewDiePie stay number one. Some called it wasteful, but it boosted his own fame. Legal issues and copycats. Fake MrBeast scams, people impersonating him. Lawsuits over Beast burger quality issues. Competing with traditional media. Jimmy wants to rival Netflix and Disney with high-budget shows. The quest to become the biggest YouTuber ever. With 200M+ subscribers, he's on track to surpass T-Series. Conclusion: the legacy of MrBeast. Jimmy Donaldson's journey proves that persistence, creativity, and generosity can change the world. From a kid making gaming videos to a global philanthropist, MrBeast has redefined what it means to be a YouTuber. His story is far from over, with plans for more charity, bigger videos, and even a possible TV network. MrBeast is just getting started. One thing is certain: wherever he goes, the world will be watching.